what I'm looking to do is take advantage of any market-related volatility that affects some of my favorite names. And in order to do that, I'm raising a little bit of cash. It's in a non-taxable account, number one. And number two, there's no real specific reason for the sales, but I want Google, Alphabet to come down to an area where I would reload and buy some more. It speaks perfectly to what I mentioned at the top of the segment. This is a business where if you look at some of the things happening beyond just the search engine and what they consider other bets, you look at the potential over the next 5 to 10 years for things like Waymo, YouTube just barely getting started, starting to build more of a Netflix-like business within a user base that, frankly, is 5 times larger than Netflix. There are so many things, so many levers for a company like Google to pull on all of these platforms that they've already built. Do you think that would matter, given
the size of Alphabet's business, that even if YouTube were to get a Netflix-like scale, would it move the needle enough? I mean,
no, they have no, you're missing it. Netflix wishes they had a YouTube-like scale. They're doing everything they can to get there. YouTube dwarfs Netflix in logged-in users on a monthly basis. Wall Street has assigned a higher valuation to Netflix because it's a subscriber base, not an ad-supported model. And subscriber-based type businesses within tech right now get a higher multiple.
Maybe that's what I meant. Although Cobra Kai is apparently a fine program.
So as YouTube experiments with other formats beyond ad-supported, one of them being subscriber, one of them being gifted time on the service. These are the types of things that have already been proven to work elsewhere. And if they work for YouTube, you could get a re-rating on that part of the business. Waymo, if you think about the fact that 75% of all trips in a car are less than 6 miles, there's no reason to think that autonomous vehicles aren't going to be world-changing. And you ask yourself, who's got the head start? Who's got the best chance of turning that into a business? We already know it's Alphabet. So you go down the list, and I'm naming 2 examples of 20 that I could, and you just think about, well, here's a stock that could get hit because it's up a lot. It's $800 billion in market cap. Could get hit if, quote unquote, September is the coolest month or whatever. And we're all hearing that thing. Right. So if you get an opportunity in something like that, you're thinking in 5 and 10 year increments. That's what I want to be liquid to do.